Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Mamdouh from M Squared Academy. Let's talk about Lean. Lean is a way of thinking that is also defined as a set of management practices to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of any production process or any organization by simply eliminating waste. So basically, the core principle of Lean is to reduce and eliminate non-value adding activities and waste in your organization. Always keep in mind that all we want to do when following this way of thinking is to maximize customer value while minimizing our waste. Simply, Lean means creating more value for customers with fewer resources. A lean organization does not only understand customer value very well, but also focuses its key processes to continuously increase it. The ultimate goal is to provide perfect value to the customer through a perfect value creation process that has zero waste. The core idea is to maximize customer value while keeping your waste at a minimum level. So basically, Lean means creating more value for your customers with fewer resources. A popular misconception is that Lean is suited only for manufacturing. This is not true because Lean applies in every business and every process in any organization, whether it's a production process or a management one. Lean is not a tactic or a cost reduction program that you can follow, but a way of thinking and acting for an entire organization. Waste is defined as the performance of unnecessary work as a result of errors, poor organization, or communication. The 8 lean manufacturing wastes can be remembered using the acronym downtime. The D stands for defects, O stands for overproduction, W is for waiting, N is for non-utilized talent, and we have transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. That's it for now, and as always, thank you for watching.